Today we will learn how to assemble the symmetrical cells, coin cell format. First we will pick up the lithium foil, which is 16 mm in diameter, and we will put in negative casing of the coin cell. Then we will use a polymer separator and align onto the top of the coin. So you can also use the wet separator, but dry separator is easy to align. Then we will add the electrolyte. Everything should be done inside the glove box. Then we will place another lithium foil. Both sides will have lithium foil, so that's why it's called symmetric. After placing lithium foil, we will put one spacer of stainless steel, which is also about 16 mm in diameter and 0.5 mm in thickness. Exactly onto the top of the lithium foil and align it. Before placing the positive casing or closing casing, we will put a spring, and after that we will place our positive casing and close the cells. You can use the forceps or hands, it's up to you. We will close it. Once it's perfectly aligned, we will press it gently, or you can pick up using the hand with gloves, otherwise it will be shorted. So now the cell is ready for the crimping. Make at least 3 cells for each composition. So we can use the crimping machine. This is manual. You can use some digital, which you don't need to care about the pressing, just insert the values and press the button. But this is manual. So our coin cell is here. So it's not sealed yet. So we will place onto the die of the crimping machine. So align it at the center of the crimping machine. Then we will close the pressure, because this is hydraulic, and we will apply the pressure using this. Nowadays many hydraulic machines are digital as well. So then you have to keep an eye on the pressure. We can use about 750 psi. So once it reaches, you have to stop the pressure and release the pressure completely to remove the cells, which is already crimped. So it will come down. Then you can pick up the cells. Now it's already crimped and ready for the testing. But before testing, make at least 3 cells. Thank you very much.